Moving your channel to another account, whether it's for security, team access, or managing monetization, you'll learn how to do it here. But first things first, here are a few things to know. First up, access. Second, monetization might be disrupted. Also, syncing can take time. And finally, watch out for Google account conflicts. At AR Media Tech, we've helped tons of creators with YouTube stuff. So every time you feel stuck, just come to us and get it sorted. So let's take it step by step and transfer your channel to another Google account. If you're lucky, you won't have to create a brand account. Let's check it out. First, go to the YouTube Studio and select Settings and choose Permissions. You might already have a permission management button here, and you'll be able to invite a participant and give them the role of owner. Then, wait 7 days and change the role to primary owner, and it's done. You've transferred your channel to a new owner. If not, proceed to another method. Click on the channel logo in the upper right corner and select Settings. On this page, you will see the option to either create a new channel or add or manage your channels. Click here and create a new channel. We will need it to transfer the old one to the new email. Enter any name and create it. Next, confirm everything. Now you have a brand account to which we will forward your channel and change your email. Go back to the settings of the old channel and select Advanced Settings. Next, choose Move Channel to a brand account. Your old channel and the new one should appear here. Click Replace and confirm. I won't do this now since I don't need to change my email, but after confirmation, your channel will be transferred to the brand account and you will need to add a new email for it. Go to the new channel in the settings, and on the main page, you should see Add or Remove an Administrator. If it doesn't appear, then go back to Advanced Settings. Click Move Channel to a brand account again, and now choose Learn More. This is an article on account migration that you can read. You need to select the first link once and then again, just in case. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find your brand account for sure. You will open a brand account to which you have already transferred the channel. Here, you need to click Manage Permissions, add the email you need, and select the owner role. After that, accept the invitation and wait 7 days. After this time, return to this page and change the role to primary owner. Delete the old email, and you have completely transferred the account to the new email. This method might seem a bit tricky because not everyone will have the same buttons or settings. If you hit any bumps along the way, just drop a comment and we'll help you. Subscribe for more videos on YouTube workarounds that'll help you keep your channel secure and ensure steady growth. Let's sort it out.